pagtuunan ng pansin. That is infrastructure, which I have always been pushing, and energy. Itong dalawang bagay, sana magkaroon na ng talagang ito ang prioritize para marami tayong mga problema na masasagot, no? If we look at our ASEAN neighbors, ang worry ko rito kasi yung we are losing on our foreign direct investments to our ASEAN neighbors because of these two issues, energy and infrastructure. Dati po, ano ba tayo? Usually sa top 5 tayo, but Vietnam is now has overtaken us because they invested heavily in power and infrastructure. Ang worry ko lang po dito, Vietnam's GDP will surpass us probably by 2025. No? May nagpadala sa akin ng figures. And if that happens, ang mangyayari doon, yung kanilang classification will be, kuhain ko lang figures, ha? Yan, ha? Ito, yung nahanap ko lang kasi may pinadala kasi very important to. Vietnam's GDP expanded at 7.1% last year. Tayo po ay and if that happens, Vietnam, tapos bumaba tayo ng konti, ang Vietnam's GDP will reach a target of 8%, no? Yung growth nila. And it will break away farther from the Philippines. That is my worry. So with the reclassification of Vietnam from frontier to emerging and a high growth rate, funds again will focus on Vietnam, no, rather than the Philippines. So kailangan talagang not only mining, all other industries for that matter, but tourism and other industries, we really need to wake up, and the government has to wake up and address this issue. Dapat tayo more power plants.